Well, you go back to one of my favorite books that I've read in the last few years was Nate Silver, The Signal and the Noise, Why Some Predictions Fail and Others Don't. I think it was something close to that. At any rate, you have to sit there and you have to figure out what is signal and what is noise. And most of what's out there is going to be noise, but sometimes that signal will indicate a very important inflection. And if you miss those, the results can be incredibly important. Earlier, off camera, we spoke a little bit about George Soros and what he was really good at and what he excelled at. And we talked about how he would look for situations that weren't sustainable, and then he would watch for a turning point. And when that turning point came, he would wager heavily, and he was of the belief, often right, that market movements would feed on themselves and you would get momentum going in the new direction. And so that was the genius of Soros, and I think he understood that better than almost anybody. Another thing that you have to watch for in terms of missing important inflection points is confirmation bias. All of us will form our opinion, and then we want to have that opinion reinforced. And so you go read what agrees with you. And what you really need to be doing is trying to figure out where you might be wrong and challenging your beliefs. And that will help you pick up on when things change.